Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 6.2 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that I will need, which is this SIM eject tool that I have one right here. And you will need it to push out the tray, and the tool can be found somewhere provided normally in a box with the device, but if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. Just straighten it out one of the ends and it will work just as well. So from here you wanna push out the tray like so, and then take it out completely. And as you can see, you have access to one SD card and two different SIM trays. Now I only will use one tray. So number one, here's the SD card and the SIM tray like so, and make sure that the cards are laying flush on there, and then while holding them securely in place you want to slide it back into the device like so, and there we go. And now should have pin for the SIM card. There it is. So there's the SIM card, and you also see the message for the SD card. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.